Good evening, friends. I'm Nannakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Friends, the market has been like a drama stage since last week. Imagine a grand play, lights, sounds, and huge action on the stage. On Thursday, Nifty opened with a bang like a hero making a dramatic entry, but by the end, the hero had quietly walked off, leaving just a small mark. Friday, the play continued with another jump only to the market lose its energy and slip down. Today, Monday, the hero once again tried to rise, but the spotlight dimmed and the curtain closed almost at the same old level. If we step back and see from last Wednesday close at 24,713, after all this drama, the market has only managed to add 63 points. So much of sound, so much of action, but the story hasn't moved forward. It is like TV serial, nothing makes. That is like that, but the story wasn't moved forward. Tomorrow being the weekly expiry, Tuesday, it looks like the stage is being set for the next big twist. Maybe a breach of Friday's low, with VIX ranges between 24,632 to 24,930. The suspense is very high. The traders need to be ready for the climax season because tomorrow is expiry. So, friends, uh, if you see everything, nothing has happened from this. Price is just here. This is all the drama which has been played over here. Let me remove this, all these things, and the market continued yesterday on Friday, closed near the middle of the range, and it was actually continued its up move. It was fine. It went up. It was very good, but it did not close at the top. Finally, around 250, 245, the market started breaking below. I don't know the news what it is. Breaking below, you can see the huge candle. 15, I am on the 15-minute candle, 15 minutes candle, and the market has plummeted 127 points. 127 points. Nothing has happened. The market moved slowly throughout the day, this much move, and it has come back and closed here. As if nothing has happened, 24,773, closing above the previous day close. That is Friday's close. And within the range of Friday, you can see if I mark this, this is the range of Friday and it has closed within this. So tomorrow, it is showing weakness. Any up move within 24,885. Let me measure this, and okay. Any up move towards the 24,833, you need to keenly watch. This is the level. You need to keenly watch. And rejection from this level can trigger breakdown. Already it has broken down this low, today's low. So it can breach this low and breach this area, that is 24,720, and it can move down to 24,632. So you need to be very watchful tomorrow for the price action. The price action is very, very dicey. So the range for the tomorrow is between 24,876 to 24,632. Then what you can do is you can keep the 24,700 call option and 24,900 put option. I'm not going deep into the money call option. That is little bit highly priced, and both are having premium 135 points and 103 points. 24,900 put option has got the premium. So let me change it to 24,900 put option. It made a low when market made a high of 24,788. When it made this much high, it came down to 56, and in the last hour, it rallied to 131 points. It moved up to 135 points, finally closed around 117. So, if the market Nifty moves up to reach test 24,823 or something, then it may retrace back to 76. You can keep it in your watch list 76, and if the market fails, Nifty fails to gets rejected from this level 24,827, that is 73 to 827 is around, let me take it, and around it is 42 points. For the 42 points jump in the market, this put option which has closed around 103 can 40 to 20 points, it can easily lose 20 to 28 points. You can imagine it can come down to 74. So you can put an alert over here like this, add alert at 73, and keep and watch what the market will do. So keep and watch, and if the market to a Nifty gets rejected from there and starts selling, this put option can rise to 142 to 166 maximum. You can anticipate that move. Why? Because from here, if it starts falling, if it starts moving down, that is 109 points. 109 points, this put option after coming to 76, 109 points means 50 points. You add 50 points, 76 plus 120 to 130 you can get in this put option. So even when you keep your call option, this is 24,700 call option can jump up to 155 to 161, and then if it starts moving down from 155, if it starts moving down 100 points, it will lose 60 points. Suppose if it lose 60 points, 96 rupees, or it can come down to 96 to 79. That is the estimated calculation for the put option and the call option. You can keep it in your watch list, and you can keep an alert at 155 for the 155 to 164. Let me add alert at 100 and sorry, what it is showing. Let me add. Oh, I cannot put an alert because there are many alerts, I believe. Already I have put alerts for some other things. So you can mark on your chart 157. You can anticipate, even it can spike up to 155 to 160 also. So you keep a watch there. If there is any rejection, since it is a huge bear candle, engulfing all the price action, the sell and rise is the strategy for tomorrow. Any initial up move will be sold into, you can keep these two 24,700 call option and 24,900 put option. You can keep it in your watch list and you can track for this. Track for this and you can keep an alert and you can watch for this and you can trade. If there is a reversal signal from this level, you can anticipate for the again from 76 to 134 to 145. You can anticipate the up move in 24,900 put option. So you can keep both the call option and the put option, and the price action is very dicey. And price action is, see, after a huge up move, deep this one, it appears that market can breach below 24,632. Whether it happens on tomorrow or whether it continues to the next week, we need to watch for that. So there is a strong support over here around this area, because in this area, it may not straight away come to this area. There is stop losses over here. The market, after rising, it has dipped and tested this level, and any breach below this level or retesting this level will act as a support for the market. We can see, so we can anticipate 24,632 to 713 is the range for the VIX range for the tomorrow. So what is the range you can anticipate? This is the range. So range is 268, 180 ATR of the Nifty. It has closed in between like the previous, Friday's close. It has closed here. Even though it has closed near the low, it has closed near the Friday's close. So it is nothing has happened. Market has closed, just a play, dramatic play which has taken place. Nothing has happened. It just to eat the premium of the call option and the put option. If you go for the call option, you can see the call option previous day it was around, the close was here 124. It rose up to 212 and finally where it has closed. You can see it came down to 109 and finally it has closed around 135. So even this put option, it made a low of 56. It was almost losing. This was it. The premium has been pumped up. Probably the premium before anything, we need to see how the market is going to close, where it is going to end. That is very, very important. If it starts breaching the 24,663 or anything, or if it has halts here, then there will be a reversal in the market. So friends, thank you very much. And Nalnakshi Swami signing off.